Have faith and trust. When you feel low and upset about any situation, just have faith and trust the timing of your life. Know that everything happens for a reason. Try to see the positive side of life. Have faith, the best is yet to come. Forgive and forget. This is one of the helpful way to raise your vibration. Learn to forgive and forget. When someone do something wrong with you, just forgive them if you want a happiness and peace of mind. Stay away from negative energies. If you want to stay positive always, then remove negativity from your life. Stay away from negative people and situations and fill your mind with uplifting, positive thoughts. Positive affirmations. Add powerful positive affirmations into your daily routine. These are uplifting statements that removes negative thoughts and shift your focus towards the positive aspects of your life. Do your favorite things. Do something you really want to do. Keep yourself busy in your favorite activities like reading, watching your favorite show or movie, going to park, doing exercise. Do anything you like.